Gunmen attack couple at Westmoreland home, kill 23-year-old makeup artist. Semi-automatic pistol seized in Maroon Town, 3 arrested. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 23-year-old makeup artist was shot dead and her common-law husband escaped injuries when they were attacked by gunmen at their Sherifffield District home in Negril, Westmoreland on Sunday. She has been identified as Mohisha Heath. The police report that the couple had just arrived home at 5:50 p.m. when they were attacked by unknown assailants who opened gunfire at them. After the shooting, it was discovered that the Heath received gunshot wounds to the head and upper body. She was assisted to the hospital where she was pronounced dead on arrival. The man escaped unharmed. Police are conducting investigations to establish a motive for the attack and to catch the killers. 3 people were taken into custody on Sunday following the recovery of an illegal gun along with ammunition in Maroon Town, St. James. The police say a team was on patrol in the area when a snap raid was conducted at a bar in the town square. They stated that a CZ-75 semi-automatic pistol with a magazine containing 3 rounds of ammunition was found under a counter inside an unoccupied structure adjacent to the bar. According to the police, the gun's serial number was partially erased.